So lovelies, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. The video is about how to make money on WhatsApp, and it is not direct, it is on how I'm going to answer your questions. The question that were asked on this video, which was on how to make money, how to make $30 and above on your WhatsApp. So before that, thank you for being on this video. Please, it is going to be short and precise because I'll be answering some of the questions that you gave. If I mention your name badly, please forgive me for that. I'll start with one of the question that was sent by Likotano. Likotano said, so when I get the views from status, where do I take them to be paid, and the links to post, where are they? You guys, so but before that, I would love to say thank you for everybody that is watching. And this video was premiered, the one they are asking question on, it was premiered on 18th, and I'm making this video 19th, so meaning you can watch 19th or 20th. So Likotano, you're asking where do you get views and where do you take them to be paid? If you watch the whole video, you'll know that how many ways of one can earn from your WhatsApp. I've made millions of money from WhatsApp status especially. So what you do, what do you put on your WhatsApp? Let me ask you first of all, what do you put on your WhatsApp status? Are you among the people who go and put on their kids? Are you among the people who put on this is my hobby? Are you among the people who put on put there the words to, like, maybe you're saying, I told you he's with me. So I mean, in other words, are you among the group of people who just put anything which cannot bring money? Whatever you're going to put on your status, you should put something that whoever is going to watch should be prompted either to watch your status, should be prompted to ask you, how much is this? Where can I get it? And how can you get such products? There are different ways there in that video. I will refer you to go back to that video. You'll find I talked about what you put on your status matters. Like me, I earn from my WhatsApp. One, I put these links of the video. When you watch this video, I'm going to get AdSense earning. Two, I put my products I have, for Imac Fashions, that is the brand under Immaculate Show. So most people buy things from Imac Fashion. Three, I also sell reusable things, like for example, if I have something like at home, I don't want it, I'll put it on WhatsApp and someone who wants it can use it. Five, I use my WhatsApp to put also products that I sell. I don't need to own a shop. I only, when I know I get something in nearby shop, I put it there. So this is exactly how you should use your WhatsApp. Now suppose you put electronics or something that you love doing, or something that you have. If I put this and how I got it at 10 dirham, that is less than $5, and me, I'm going to put it, if I put it there, it will be $15. If I put 15 dirham, it means I'm going to earn more 5 dirham. I sold almost 10 of these pieces after me putting them on WhatsApp status. I bought them at 10 dirham and I sold them at 25 dirham. Why? Because people could not get them anywhere. So I think I've answered you. How do you, when people watch your status, how do you gain from those views, and how do you take the views to be paid? You turn your views, you turn your status into your shop. If you have a skill, if you know you can make hair, put that you can make hair. If you know you can cook well, put that you can. What exactly can you do? What in your life, what can you do for yourself? Monetize it. That's what you can do with WhatsApp status. If you want to know more, please watch this video. There are tutorials step by step. That is one. Naomi Campbell says, please elaborate more about administrator, because I'm one of them but never earned a single coin. Now this is something, thank you very much, you guys. I'm very grateful that you're here. One of the things that you need to know about being an administrator, people, do you know I don't have a grace to be an administrator on any groups? And there are very many groups, there are very many channels on Facebook that need administrators. Advertise yourself. When you advertise yourself, if you put on any status as on any group as an administrator, you are hired. Why should you be an administrator who cannot be earned? So the person who is going to make you an administrator should be in position to give you money. And you can also charge according to the duties and responsibilities that you're going to be doing. Hope you understand that. Then we have Pastor Wanda Linya channel asked, is WhatsApp business or normal WhatsApp? All WhatsApp, as long as you have WhatsApp business, has its own advantages because it is blurred, and you can make even WhatsApp channel if you have a WhatsApp business. Then WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp, you can use your WhatsApp status. Okay, then another one said, I'm present, eager to learn. Thanks very much, Pelus. Then Amalachi said, does it work worldwide? Amalachi, thanks very much. Amalachi, do you have a WhatsApp? What do you use it for apart from messaging? If you know you can get WhatsApp and you're putting something on your WhatsApp status, I want you to ask people like Zebra. If you know Zebra, you can follow him. He's also in YouTube. Zebra, I always see his WhatsApp, and he advertises things. Either he's putting links for Instagram, or he's putting his businesses or other things. So this is a very big channel for you. You don't need to go to the market and tell them, you guys, I'm selling this. No, to your friends. No. Then a CEO Wycliffe says WhatsApp status. Yes, he says it's a big deal. Indeed, CEO Wycliffe, I don't know whether I've pronounced you well. You really nailed it on the head. It's a big thing. But the people, you guys, I want you to go back to this video, listen to it, watch it and work it. What do you do when a video like this one is posted? If they are talking about WhatsApp status, you go and check what are the steps that you can use to use your WhatsApp status to earn this money. So I really appreciate everybody that is on this video and is trying to ask questions. That shows that the video caught you, or you're so much interested. But there's something that I've discovered in this video, that most of us that watch these videos on our channels, you don't listen to understand. You only, most of us will listen to see the title and the thumbnail. But when you understand something, you go and try it. But no one can give you everything. However, I want us all to be direct and precise about the questions. Like the one who talked about the question, about the views being turned into money. Views cannot be turned into money direct. Someone, if he watches your status, doesn't change anything. What changes your status and finances is what do you post on your status. That is the simple. What do? Your practices. So we have to change our best practices. See you in another video.